Here student did chemistry questions which are going on. It's video, second video. In this second video, so many questions are there. With respect to our basic questions, we are going towards hard question. It is somewhat simple question, but simple questions are also essential. You are doing very hard questions. आप हार्ड क्वेश्चन के पीछे लगते हो, अगर बेसिक क्वेश्चन आपको मालूम हुआ तो एक क्वेश्चन से दूसरा क्वेश्चन अपने आप आ सकता है. It is ethers are more volatile than alcohols due to. Ethers are more volatile. It means that the force of attraction between one ether molecule and another ether molecule is somewhat minimum. So this force of attraction in ether is greater. Why? Than alcohol. Why? You know that alcohol consists of R bond OH. It is one of the molecule, and R bond OH, it is another molecule. This oxygen and this hydrogen combines with each other, gives hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding is in between two different molecules. When hydrogen bonding is in between two different molecules, it means that it is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. It is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And if hydrogen bonding is present in only the molecule itself, इंट्रामोलिकुलर, एक ही मॉलिक्यूल में अगर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग है तो इंट्रामोलिकुलर होता है. इन बिटवीन टू डिफरेंट, व्हेन मॉलिक्यूल्स अप्रोच ईच अदर in between two different molecules, if hydrogen bond is there, then that type of hydrogen bonding is intermolecular, intramolecular and intermolecular. But in ether, such type of hydrogen bonding is not present. Such type of hydrogen bonding is not present. So ethers having lower attraction force in between two ether molecules. It means it is volatile, it is converted into liquid, is converted into gas by accepting very lower amount of heat energy from the atmosphere. So intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol, it is the main reason. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding, no, there is no intramolecular. Intramolecular means in the single atom itself there is a hydrogen bonding, it is not there. And hydrogen bonding is not related with ether. So these 2 points, these two C and D part which is to be already cancelled. Our answer is due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding in alcohol, ethers are more volatile than alcohol. Yes, okay, going to next question. Okay, next. So students, our next question is, which has higher boiling point? Which has higher boiling point means orthonitrophenol or paranitrophenol. You know that this is orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. This is orthonitrophenol. And another is paranitrophenol. Another is paranitrophenol. This position is ortho position, ortho, meta, para. It is paranitrophenol. OH and NO2, they are equal and opposite to the benzene ring. Equal and opposite to benzene ring. This orthonitrophenol forms intramolecular hydrogen bonding here. यहाँ पर intramolecular hydrogen bonding which is to be formed by this orthonitrophenol. You know that intramolecular hydrogen bonding is somewhat this type of hydrogen bonding is somewhat weak, but another type of hydrogen bonding is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present in between these two molecules of paranitrophenol, and here intermolecular. It is intermolecular. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is very strong. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding is very strong than intramolecular. It is intramolecular. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Intramolecular hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond means intermolecular hydrogen bonding and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding is weak and intermolecular hydrogen bonding is strong. Due to this nature, this para-nitrophenol having more strong hydrogen bond, which is known as intermolecular hydrogen bonding, then this answer is correct. Higher boiling point related with para-nitrophenol due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond, because intermolecular hydrogen bond is strong and due to stronger attraction between the molecules, more amount of energy is required, more amount of heat is required to separate such type of molecules. Clear? Okay, we will go to next question.